Hi, Mark. Here, Wednesday, July the 30th, just after 8 a.m. Eastern, US session underway. And let's see how the markets are shaping up today. Starting US dollar index, continuation of what we've seen this is the fifth consecutive day. Higher lows and possibly higher highs today, looking to test resistance right now. Resistance 98.80, level that's been tough for buyers to break above, and I've got support at 98.47. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see slight breather during the European session. On the front foot again, the US dollar index, and looking up at testing this resistance level at 98.82 for now. Let's have a look at the S&P. Last 2 days, we saw a bit of a sell-off at these very high, record high levels, came down over the last 2 days, and today sitting gapped up to start and sitting at pretty much where it started, almost a doji-like candlestick. I've got support at 6,405 and resistance at 6,417. We'll see if buyers are able to recoup the losses from the last 2 days and get up to this resistance and possibly break higher, or if we're going to see a continuation of this 2-day sell-off and sellers test the 6,405 support area. Gold is a doji-like candle in gold, sitting at yesterday's close price around 3,326. I've got resistance at 3,334, same resistance, same high as yesterday, and I've got support at 3,320, a narrow $14 range. So far, buyers will be looking to test and break above this resistance level, get back to the 3,350 or higher. Sellers will look to test below this 3,320, perhaps get to as low as that pivotal 3,300 area. We've had the sell-off yesterday. Buyers did try and fight back. We'll see how that works today, and possibly be led by US dollar setting the way in the index against the majors, and gold may well take its lead from that. Oil, strong 2 days Brent oil, particularly yesterday. You can see that all the way up to resistance at 72.26. Bounced off that level today as low as $71, but back at 71.73 for now. Buyers will be looking to test this resistance of 72.26. Sellers, of course, will look to continue with this bounce down, almost a double top formation if it does bounce down, which is a reversal sign. Sellers looking way down here at the 69.16 support area. And then we have Bitcoin. Continuing with what we've seen here, big picture, you can see a series of lower highs the whole way, meaning every time Bitcoin does fight back off the support area, doesn't get as high as the previous high, which is bearish. EMAs are tilted to the downside, and today's support is sitting at 117,300, and I've got resistance at 118,500, a narrow range to start. Sellers will be looking to test this 117 support, a level that sellers have struggled to break and maintain below. Buyers will be looking up at the 118,000 to try to get back to 119,000, test and break above this descending trend line. But certainly bearish to start, and sellers setting the pace for now. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at the end of the session.